Here's a simple introduction to some key terms of the share market, stock market, and mutual funds that you'll encounter. These terms will help you understand how investing works and guide you through making informed decisions. Key terms in share market, stock market, and mutual fund. 1. Share stock. What it is. A share is a unit of ownership in a company. When you buy shares of a company, you own a small part of that company. Example: if you buy one share of Reliance at 2,500 rupees, you own one small part of Reliance. 2. Stock market. What it is. The stock market is the place or platform where stocks, shares, are bought and sold. In India, this includes the NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Example: when you buy shares of HDFC Bank through NSE, you are participating in the stock market. 3. Stockbroker. What it is. A stockbroker is a middleman who helps you buy and sell shares in the stock market. Example: companies like Zerodha, Upstocks, and Grow are online brokers that help you invest in shares. 4. Demat account. What it is. A demat account holds your shares in digital form. You need this account to buy or sell shares. Example: you open a demat account with a stockbroker like Zerodha to store your shares after buying them. 5. Trading account. What it is. A trading account is where you keep the money that you use to buy and sell shares. Example: you link your bank account to your trading account with Zerodha or Grow to buy shares. 6. Mutual fund. What it is. A mutual fund pools money from many investors and uses it to buy stocks, bonds, or other assets. It's managed by a fund manager. Example: SBI Blue Chip Fund is a mutual fund where your money is used to buy shares of large, stable companies like Reliance, Infosys, etc. 7. NAV, net asset value. What it is. NAV is the price of one unit of a mutual fund. It's like the share price of the fund. Example: if the NAV of HDFC Mutual Fund is 20 rupees and you invest 10,000 rupees, you will get 500 units of that mutual fund. 8-point SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. What it is. SIP is a way to invest fixed amounts regularly in mutual funds. It helps you invest consistently, even with small amounts, and benefit from rupee cost averaging. Example: you invest 1,000 rupees every month in an SIP of HDFC Equity Fund. 9. Portfolio. What it is. A portfolio is the collection of all your investments, shares, mutual funds, bonds, etc. Example: your portfolio could contain 5 shares of Reliance, 10 shares of Infosys, and SIP in Axis Blue Chip Fund. Dividend. What it is. A dividend is a portion of a company's profit paid to its shareholders. Example: if you own 100 shares of ITC and it declares a 5 rupee per share dividend, you will get 500 rupees as a dividend. 11th IPO, initial public offering. What it is. An IPO is when a company sells shares to the public for the first time to raise money. Example: Zomato's IPO was when the company offered its shares to the public in 2021. 12. Bull market. What it is. A bull market is when the stock market is rising and investor confidence is high. Example: when Nifty and Sensex are going up for several months, it's a bull market. 13. Bear market. What it is. A bear market is when the stock market is falling and investors are pessimistic. Example: if Nifty drops by 20% or more, it's called a bear market. 14. Capital gain. What it is. A capital gain is the profit you make when you sell a stock or asset for more than you paid for it. Example: you bought one share of Reliance at 2,000 rupees and sold it for 2,500 rupees. Your capital gain is 500 rupees. 15. Risk. What it is. Risk refers to how likely it is that the value of your investments may go down. Example: stocks are high risk because their prices can go up or down quickly, while mutual funds might be safer, as they invest in many different stocks. 16. Asset allocation. What it is. Asset allocation is how you divide your money between different types of investments like stocks, bonds, and cash to manage risk. Example: you may decide to put 60% in stocks, 30% in mutual funds, and 10% in cash to balance your risk. 17. Volatility. What it is. Volatility refers to how much the price of an asset, like a stock or mutual fund, goes up and down. Example: stocks like Tesla have high volatility because their prices can change a lot in a day, while large companies like HDFC Bank may have low volatility. 18. Expense ratio in mutual funds. What it is. The expense ratio is the annual fee charged by mutual funds for managing your money. Example: if the expense ratio of a mutual fund is 1.5% and you invest 1 lakh rupees, the fund manager will charge 1,500 rupees per year. 19. Liquidity. What it is. Liquidity refers to how easily you can buy or sell an investment. Example: stocks are very liquid because you can sell them easily, while real estate is illiquid because it can take time to sell a property. 20. Blue chip stocks. What it is. Blue chip stocks are shares of large, stable, and well-established companies with a strong track record. Example: companies like Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys are considered blue chip stocks. These are some of the key terms you will encounter as you explore the world of investments. Understanding these terms will help you feel more confident when you're making decisions about investing in the share market, stock market, or mutual funds.